The Fix-It team, how friends help the town. One day in the town, Sam noticed that the swing set at the park was broken. But he didn't want the kids to miss out on their fun, so he called his friends for help.
We can fix this. I'll grab some new ropes and the swing will be good as new.
Ravi, with his creative thinking, suggested using stronger ropes so the swing would last longer and be safer for everyone.
If we use these thicker ropes, the swing won't break as easily. Let's give it a try.
With Kai's help, the friends worked together to fix the swing. Everyone played an important role in making it safe again.
This is going to be the best swing in the park. Let's make sure it's super strong.
Next, the friends noticed the town fountain wasn't working. Sam, Ravi, and Kai knew they had to help the town get it flowing again.
I wonder what's causing it to stop working. Maybe something is blocking the water.
Ravi quickly found the problem. A few leaves had gotten stuck in the pipes. With his trusty wrench, he cleared it out and got the water flowing again.
There we go. It's just a few leaves, but now the fountain can sparkle again.
Kai added the final touch to the fountain, placing shiny stones to make it look even more beautiful.
This will make it look even better. The town is going to love it.
At the town hall, the front door was stuck, making it hard for people to get in. Sam, with his love for fixing things, wanted to help right away.
Looks like the hinges are rusty. I'll grab some oil and we'll have this door working in no time.
With Ravi's well-stocked toolbox, they had just what they needed to fix the door. It was teamwork at its finest.
Here you go, Sam. This should fix the problem.
With their combined efforts, the door was fixed, and the town hall was once again open to everyone.
Now it works perfectly. Great job, team.
The Fix-It team had done it. With their hard work and teamwork, they helped make the town a better place.
We did it! Working together makes everything easier and more fun.